you recite the surah at least 17 times a day. That's over 6,000 times a year. But if someone asked you to explain it, could you do it? Today, we are fixing the silent barrier between you and Khushu. That is your focus. So you have reached this far. That means you are serious about your salah. You are serious about your connection and your communication with the Creator. I built systems and analyzed complex problems. But as a father, I had a wall. I realized I was providing my kids with the best worldly education. But when it came to salah, I was doing what most of us do, outsourcing. So this Salah roadmap, starts with Nia, which is the step 0. Then we have the Takbir, we have the Thana, we have the Ta'awuz, and we have the Basmala, Al-Fatiha, then any surah or any part of the Quran. Then we have the Ruku and Qawma, followed by Sujud and Jalsa, and then the Tashahud, Durud, Dua, and Taslim. Second step of the Salah, which is the Thana. غيرك, besides you. If there are few things that I want you to keep in your head, I know some of you might not be able to remember the word by word meaning the very first time, but these are 4 points that I want you to remember. Now we're going to talk about some common mistakes, and I'm just going to maybe write in your notebooks that which line of Sana touched you the most. And I have some deep reflection moments for you all, because the more you reflect, the more you are going to learn. From today, your salah cannot begin casually. It begins with awareness. It begins with intention, and it begins with declaration. And get the course and understand every word said in salah and mean it.